Today marks a moment of profound grief for the SL family. Shri Nand Kishore Goenka, father of the SL Group chairman, Dr. Subhash Chandra, passed away in Mumbai this afternoon. He was 96 years old. Shri Goenka's passing, marking the end of a long and remarkable life, leaving behind a legacy that, of course, will be remembered by family, friends, and well-wishers.
Born on the 28th of September 1930, Shri Nand Kishore Goenka devoted his life to public service and social causes. Shri Nand Kishore Goenka's life was defined by strong values, humility, compassion, and unwavering dedication to serve the society. Through his quiet acts of generosity and dedication to community welfare, he touched the lives of many. A committed volunteer of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, he held several key responsibilities within the organization over the years. Alongside his business pursuits, he remained deeply engaged in social service and was steadfastly committed to the cause of cow welfare. His son and chairman of the SL Group, Dr. Subhash Chandra, remembered his father. In a post on X, he said, "Though all in the family are saddened, my desire is to celebrate his life of 96 years, which was full of Samaj Seva, Cow Seva and national service as an RSS Swayam Sevak." Tributes have been pouring in from across sections of the society. Chief ministers of various states, leaders of political parties and top industrialists have expressed grief over the death of Shri Nand Kishore Goenka. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis expressed sorrow and praised Shri Nand Kishore Goenka's role as an RSS worker. Senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, also remembered Shri Goenka as a visionary industrialist and a great family man.
बड़े ही दुख की बात है कि नंद किशोर गोयनका जी जो सुभाष चंद्रा जी के पिताश्री हैं, उनका निधन हुआ है। वे राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के प्रचारक रहे हैं और विशेष रूप से गौ सेवा के लिए बहुत समर्पित रहे हैं। कारोबार करते हुए उन्होंने बहुत सारी सामाजिक जिम्मेदारियों का भी निर्वाह किया है। अग्रसेन समाज में भी उनका कार्य बहुत बड़ा है। ऐसे एक बहुत बड़े समाज सेवी और राष्ट्रभक्त व्यक्तित्व का निधन, ये बहुत ही दुख की बात है। मैं उन्हें विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ।
नंद किशोर जी गोयनका जी, मैं जानता था उन्होंने सारी उम्र मेहनत किया है, समाज सेवी की और उनके परिवार ने बड़ी तरक्की करी, सब उनके आशीर्वाद से की। आज वो नहीं रहे तो लेकिन समाज में और अपनी जन सेवा के उसमें अपना वो एक स्थान बना के गए हैं। ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि अपने चरणों में।
The mortal remains of Shri Nand Kishore Goenka will be flown to his ancestral town of Hisar in Haryana. The remains will be kept at his residence, Goenka House in Hisar, for family members, friends and well-wishers to pay their final respects. His last rites will be performed at 11 a.m. on Wednesday. The final rites will take place at Goenka Garden in Agroha Dham. His wife was also cremated at the Agroha Dham.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.